Hello student. Today we are going to learn the next point, that is phonogram. In the previous point we will learn that cryptogram. In this cryptograms we will learn three division. First one Thallophyta, second one Bryophyta, and third division, that is Pterophyta. In the cryptograms all the plants reproduce by spore formation. In the cryptogram all the plants reproduce by spore formation, and they are called as cryptograms as their reproductive organs cannot be seen. These plants are called as cryptograms because their reproductive organs cannot be seen. Okay, in the cryptograms, reproductive organs cannot be seen. That is why they are called as cryptograms. Cryptograms means what? Cryptos means hidden. Cryptos means hidden, and gams means reproductive organ. Means what? In the cryptograms, reproductive organs cannot be seen. Okay, these plants are called as cryptograms. Means in cryptograms, reproductive organs cannot be seen, and these all plants reproduce by spore formation. Okay, the next point, that is phenerograms. Plants which have a special structure for reproduction. Plants which have a special structure for reproduction and produce seeds are called as phenerograms. Okay, plants which have a special structure for reproduction and produce seeds are called as phenerograms. Okay, in these plants, after the process of reproduction, in these plants means in phenerograms, after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed. Okay, in the phenerograms, after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed which contain the embryo and stored food. Okay, which contain the embryo and stored food. Means after the reproduction or after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed which contain the embryo and stored food. During germination of the seed, during germination of the seed means when seed grow, during germination of the seed, the stored food is used for the initial growth of the embryo. During germination of the seed, the stored food is used for the initial growth of the embryo, depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not. Depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, phenerograms are classified into two groups, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm. Depending upon whether seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, phenerograms are classified into two groups, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm. In this first we will learn that gymnosperm, first division, gymnosperm. Let's see here. Observe all garden plants like cycas, Christmas tree, hibiscus, lily, etc. Okay, observe all garden plants like cycas, Christmas tree, hibiscus, lily, and compare them. Means first of all you should observe the garden plants and then compare them. Note the similarities and differences among them. Note the similarities and differences among them. Which differences did you notice between gymnosperm and angiosperm? Which differences did you notice between gymnosperm and angiosperm? In this, cycas and Christmas tree are a gymnosperm. Okay, in this garden plant, cycas and Christmas tree are gymnosperm, while hibiscus and lily are a angiosperm. Okay, in garden plant, cycas and Christmas tree are gymnosperm, and hibiscus and lily are angiosperm. Hibiscus is a dicot plant. Hibiscus is a dicot plant, while lily is a monocot plant. Okay, this is the difference between the garden plants. Means this is the difference between the gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, next one. Gymnosperm are mostly evergreen. Gymnosperm are mostly evergreen, perennial. Perennial means what? They can live many years. Okay, gymnosperm are mostly evergreen, perennial, and woody. Their stems are without branches. Their stems are without branches. Okay, the leaves form a crown. The leaves form a crown. Means in gymnosperm, leaves form a crown. These plants bear a male and female flowers. These plants bear male and female flowers on different sporophytes of the same plant. Okay, these plants bear a male and female flower on different sporophytes of the same plant. Seeds of these plants do not have a natural covering. Seeds of these plants do not have a natural covering. That is, these plants do not that is these plants do not form fruits and therefore called as a gymnosperm. Okay, these plants do not form fruits. These plants do not form fruits and therefore called as a gymnosperm. In this bracket, gymnos means naked and sperm means seed. Gymnos means naked and sperm means seed. Means there is a naked seeds. In gymnosperm, there is a naked seeds. For example, cycas. Next one, Pisia, that is Christmas tree. Thuja, that is more funky. And last one, Pinus, that is Devada. These are the examples of gymnosperm. Okay. Next division, angiosperm, we will learn in next lecture.